Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase c from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the middle and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curved line, down on an angle. Then from the bottom, let's bring it down and curve it down at the top as well. Then close off the bottom with another curve. Next, let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw two angles and then connect them at the bottom. Now from the top, let's curve it up. And the same thing for the bottom. And that's it for the top row of the teeth. Next, let's draw the bottom row in the same way, but tucked behind. Let's start underneath and draw a small line down, then a bent line on the left, and then let's curve it out to the sides. Next, let's move up into that top right section and draw a curved line here for the tongue. Now we're going to color that top section in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start above the mouth in the middle and let's draw a curved line up. And then let's form a rounded square shape for the first eye. Now let's draw the second eye in the same way, below it on the right. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curved line across the middle. Then above this line, a rounded rectangle shape. And then let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on the side of the left eye and let's draw a line out. Then from the end, let's curve it up. And then from the top, let's curve it all the way over to the right. Then let's bring it down. And then angle it back in to the right eye. Now let's hop down next to the right eye, and we're going to draw a curve out, and then angle it back in. Now let's hop back over underneath the left eye here. Let's draw a large curve out and back in. Now from the bottom, let's curve it over to the right and then connect it back up to the other side. And that's it for lowercase c. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!